How to import products from Aliexpress to Shopify Autods. So the first step is to make sure that your Shopify account is connected to Autods, so your Shopify store. Now simply click on this pen icon, and as you can see I have eBay. Now you're gonna have to click on add store and then simply select Shopify store and click on continue. Then you're gonna have to simply choose a package. So I recommend you to go with this one here so you can import 200 products. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to AliExpress and then simply look for the product. So let's say we want to sell this product here. So I'm gonna copy the link and then I'm gonna go back to AutoDS and then simply go to products. Then simply click on add product. And then here you're gonna have to simply click on single product and then simply paste the product here. Here make sure to select AliExpress and then simply click on edit now quick. And now here, if you want, you can change the description. You can select the photos that is gonna appear on your store, and then you're gonna be able to publish this product directly to your store. As you can see, mine it's in draft right now. As you can see, it's loading, but after you made your changes, you're gonna be able to publish it to your store. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.